Welcome to Chojje Adventures. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I painted this rock dedicated to Dumbo the movie. I recently went to see it with my niece and nephews and I love the movie. I have actually seen the previous versions before, but I just wanted to give you a little intro about the movie. Dumbo was a 1941 American animated film produced by Walt Disney Productions. It was the fourth Disney animated feature film. It is based on a storyline written by Helen Alberson and Harold Perro. The main character is Dumbo Jr., a semi-anthropomorphic elephant who is cruelly nicknamed Dumbo, as in dumb. He's been harassed and ridiculed by his big ears, but in fact he's capable of flying by using his ear as wings. On the original movie, the only true friend that he had is a mouse. Dumbo was released on October 23, 1941, made to recoup from the financial losses of Fantasia. It's one of the Disney shortest animated features. In 2017, the film was selected for preservation in the United States National Film Registry by the Library of Congress. It's actually a culturally, historically significant. The new movie that came out on this year, 2019, is a fantasy adventure film by Tim Burton, which is a great director. I love all his movies. And the film is inspired, of course, by the Walt Disney's 1941 animated film. On this movie starred Colin Farrell, Michael Keaton, Danny DeVito, Eva Green, and Alan Arkin. First, I started drawing with a pen and then I applied white around the elephant. If you see that I use a lot of gray, it's because I have this paint left over from one of the samples that my son wanted to paint the house, but he didn't like the color, so I decided to use this paint as a background because this paint has primer and the color of the paint as well. It took me a bit of time to do this rock because I tried to do it very detailed and a lot of shading and small details that is hard to make, but I hope you like this video. The colors that I use are very basic. I'm gonna leave them in the description below if you are interested on which ones I use. I have other stuff that I use for other art and craft. I'm gonna leave them too in the description of this video. If you have any questions, suggestions on what rock do you want me to paint or the theme or what drawings you want to see, please let me know in the section below. Let me know which rock you like the best on my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. And this is how the rock looks at the end. I put a coat of resin on top to make it look shiny. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.